Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about adjustment layers. Let's get started. Adjustment layers are non-destructive edits that sit above your layers and apply effects without changing the original image. You can turn them off or tweak them anytime. If you want to create an adjustment layer, click on this icon right here. And here you have all of your adjustment layers. Let's go through each one of them. The first one is solid color. Solid color fills the entire canvas or selection with one color. This is useful for backgrounds, masking, or color blocks. Gradient. This fills the layer with a smooth color blend with adjustable angles, scales, and types. This is great for atmospheric effects or modern UI designs. If you want to learn more about gradient settings, I have a video dedicated just to that. Pattern. Pattern repeats a selected texture or pattern. Use scale to resize the pattern. This is ideal for fabric, noise, or graphic textures. Then we have brightness and contrast. This is simple light and dark control. Use to quickly brighten or add contrast. Next we have levels. Adjust shadows, midtones, highlights via the sliders. This is a histogram-based, precise tonal control. Great for fixing underexposed or washed out images. The next one we have is curves. This is the most advanced tonal tool. You create curve points to adjust contrast, highlights, and shadows. This allows pre-channel color control too. Red, green, and blue. Exposure. Adjust exposure, offset, and gamma correction. This is best for photos with extreme lighting or raw image tweaks. Now we have the color adjustments. Vibrance boosts muted colors without oversaturating already vivid ones. Safer than full saturation for natural edits. Hue and saturation. Change color intensity, or shift colors entirely. Adjust overall or target specific color ranges. Use this to recolor objects. Color balance. Tweak the color tones of shadows, midtones, and highlights. Use this to correct color casts or create color modes. Black and white. Converts your image to grayscale. You control how each original color maps to gray. This adds drama or a filmic look. Photo filter. Applies a warming or cooling filter. Use this to simulate lighting or enhance mood. Channel mixer. Combines red, green, and blue channels. Ideal for monochrome effects or fixing channel issues. Can create dramatic black and white conversions. Color lookup. This applies thematic color grading using LUTs. Built-in presets like teal orange or crisp warm. This is great for stylized edits or matching film looks. Invert. Flips all colors to their opposites. Often used for negative or special effects. Posterize. This reduces the number of tones in the image, creates a flat, graphic, stylized look. Used for artifacts or silkscreen style design. Threshold. Turns the image into pure black and white based on brightness. Great for stencils or high contrast line work. Gradient map. Maps image tones to a gradient. Dark becomes one color, light another, and so on. Powerful for surreal coloring or duotone effects. Selective color. Lets you adjust individual color ranges. You can shift how each color behaves in your image. This is great for fine-tuning skin tones, skies, and removing color casts. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.